vessel that's coming in now is the Sea Time.
Oh yes, Jack Gann.
She's owned by Jack Gann, and he's last year's honorary Commodore for the Classic Boat Festival. His good friend Bill Tillier, this year's honorary Commodore, will be taking the salute in a moment. Okay. The lead power boat, you see the one right in the front there? White hull. The lead power boat is the Danae, owned by Dennis Paquette. And Danae last year won Best Overall Power category. A beautifully restored vessel. Faranda, Tony Rose's boat. Victoria-based ship. Here's the Delta, the vessel that refuses to die. The oldest boat on the coast of BC, restored diligently last few years and then burnt by fire last year and restored once again. 1889, birth date of that vessel. Townley Isle from Nanaimo.